Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you front elevation with half sectional elevation of slab culvert in AutoCAD. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from Civil Engineering Tutorials. Also like this video in case you find it helpful. So let's get started. So this is the half sectional plan which I have already created in my previous video. Now this is the top plan. This is also I have already prepared, which link is provided in the description box. So this is the half sectional plan. Right now I'll show you front elevation with half sectional elevation of slab culvert. So this is section line. Section along A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C, D. This is a section line. Now this is clear span 1.5 meter. Clear span is 1.5 meter. This line to this line, this is the clear span. Clear span length is 1.5 meter. Now this is length of abutment wall. That is 5.3 meter. This is thickness of PCC. This is 0.15 meter. So both sides 0.15 meter. So if we deduct 0.15 meter from both sides, then we'll get this length as 5 meter. So this is the length of abutment wall. We have 2 numbers of abutment walls. Now 4 numbers of wing walls we have. So length of wing wall is 1.5 meter. This is wing wall. So this is 1 and this is 2. 2 numbers of abutment walls. Now 1, 2 and 3, 4. 4 numbers of wing walls. 2 numbers of abutment walls and 4 numbers of wing walls we have. Now this is 0.8 meter. This is width of PCC, also bottom width. Now 0.5 meter. This is width of brickwork. So this side, due to slab, we can't see this side wall. We can see only brickwork and parapet wall here. You can see here brickwork. Width of brickwork is 0.5 meter. Here to here, this is 0.5 meter. Width of brickwork and width of parapet wall 0.4 meter. 0.4 is width of parapet wall. Here we can't see and this side wall due to slab. So this is the 4 meter roadway. This is the section line. This section line you can see here A, B, C, D. So this is the section line. So in A, B, we will see the front elevation as this is not cutting any feature. And on C, D, we will see the section. C, D going through the structure, CD cutting the structure. So front elevation through AB. This is front elevation with half section on ABCD. So here this is AB. So here we can see the front elevation. I'll show you. Vertical line I'll show you. So from this side, this is the front elevation. This side is front elevation and this another side is this side front elevation and another side is section. So this is this level you can see. This is PCC, width of PCC is 0.8 meter. So here this is the clear span 1.5 meter. These are, you can see, you can see these 2 columns, this and this. So these are these 2 abutment walls. These 2 abutment walls, this one and this one. this one and this one. These two are abutment walls. So this side we can't see except this line due to slab. So here we can see only this side wall. Now this is a wing wall. I'll show you. This is here to here. This is our wing wall, and this side, this is our wing wall. Here we can see only two wing walls. This side, wing walls. These are two wing walls and two abutment walls. Now this is PCC. This PCC 1.25 meter and 0.8 meter. Change the color and show you like vertical line. Mark here and mark here. You can understand now this level. You can see this line, these two lines, projection of these two lines. This is PCC. So this is the wing wall. Now this is stone pitching. Width is 0.3 meter. This is stone pitching. This is 45 degree. Angle is slope is 45 degree. So span, clear span 1.5 meter. This clear span, you can see this is the clear span 1.5 meter. Now this is here to here. This is primary parapet wall. This is a primary parapet wall. You can see, and this is your secondary parapet wall. We have two numbers of parapet wall. One is primary parapet wall, another is secondary parapet wall. Now this is coping. So coping is 10 centimeter, 0.1 meter. Now this length is 0.9 meter. And this is 22 centimeter thick rod. So here we can see thickness of rod. This is the 22 centimeter thick rod. Here to here 0.2 meter thick rod. 0.22 meter thick rod. You can see here. Now here we can see the front elevation. Now this is the front elevation. Now this side, this is the 10 cm wearing course. 10 centimeter wearing course. 0.1 meter 10 centimeter wearing course. Now this is our slab. This is slab. So here this is the section line. So from here, from this line, we'll see the section from here. So this side we'll see the section. So hope you understand. This is the PCC. Width of PCC 0.3 meter. This is 10 cm wearing course and 22 centimeter thick rod. So this is the roof slab. Now I'll make you understand this. This is our main bar. This is our main bar, and all these bars are distribution bars. These are distribution bars, and this is main bar. So main bar diameter 16 mm dia, other as 16 centimeter. 16 mm dia, other at 10 centimeter center to center. Main bar dimension. This is 10 centimeter. Sorry for the mistake. This is main bar dimension 16 millimeter dia at the rate 10 centimeter center to center. Now distribution bars dimension 10 millimeter dia at the rate 22 centimeter center to center. 22 centimeter is center to center distance. Here to here, this distance is 22 centimeter, 0.22 meter. Here to here also same 0.22 meter or 22 centimeter. So main bar same as 16 mm dia at the rate 10 cm center to center. Distribution bars dimension 10 millimeter dia at the rate 22 center to centimeter. Here 10 centimeter center to center. Distribution bars 22 centimeter center to center, and main bar dimension 10 centimeter center to center. Now this is bent up bar or cranked bar. This is your bent up bar or cranked bar. So here spacing is different. So here spacing is 10 millimeter dia. Bar is same 10 millimeter dia, but spacing is 18 centimeter center to center. Dia is 10 millimeter, but spacing is here to here 0.18 or 0.18 meter or 18 centimeter center to center is spacing. Okay, this is the bent up bar, and distribution bar spacing is on bent up bar 0.18 meter center to center or 18 centimeter center to center. Hope you understand. Now this is hook. This is the hook. You can keep it 90 degree also, but I have prepared the hook here. Now this is 9D. So one side 9D, another side 9D, total 18D. Now how we'll measure 9D? I'll show you. This is 4D. .03. Okay. Now this is for this side 4D. D is dimension of bar. This is 1D. Both side 4D and one side 1D. So total 4D, 4D, 8D plus 1D, 9D. 4D, this is 4D, this is 1D. So total 9D. So both sides, we have both sides 9D plus 9D, 18D. So total 9D. So this is one side. You can see here one side. So another side also 9D. So total 18D. This is hook. Hope you understand how we calculate 9D. This is 4D, this is 4D, and this is 1D. D is diameter of bar. Here D is 16 millimeter bar. Okay. Hope you understand how we calculate hook. This side also same. So this is how you can calculate hook. Now this distance, this is L by 4. L by 4. This length is L by 4. So L is span, clear span, 1.5 meter. This is L. Clear span is a L. So this length is L by 4. Here to here this is 0.37 means clear span 1.5 meter divided by 4. We get 0.37 meter L by 4. Now this angle is 45 degree. This angle should be 45 degree. Okay. This is the bent up bar or crank bar angle. This should be 45 degree always. So I have already created this. This is the main bar. These are the distribution bars. This is our bent up or cranked bar. Okay. Main bar dia 16 millimeter and spacing 10 centimeter center to center. Bento bar, distribution bar dia 10 millimeter, spacing 22 centimeter center to center. Now cranked bar, distribution bars 10 millimeter dia, spacing 18 centimeter center to center. Now this is hook. Hook is 9D. So 9D plus another side 9D, total 18D. This is the primary parapet wall. This is secondary parapet wall. This is 10 centimeter coping. 10 centimeter, 0.1 meter. This is thickness of PCC. Now this is the ground level. Okay. This line, this level, this is the ground level. Ground level to this distance is 1.3 meter. Now this is 0.2 meter. 0.22 meter. Now this length is 0.9 meter. This is coping 0.1 meter. So this I have already created. So in my next video, I'll show you how to draw this front elevation with half sectional elevation of slab culvert. So this I have done to make you understand properly. So in next video, I'll show you how to draw this. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.